Hello everyone, welcome to our new YouTube channel Indian Treasure. In this video we are going to see unboxing of TP-Link 4G Plus router. Before that, subscribe our channel to get more videos and more updates. Okay, let me see the detailed content here. It's a TP-Link 4G Plus router, AC1200 dual band gigabyte router, and its model is MR600. Let's see its specification. It's a 4G plus router, so it has Cat6 boost, which will boost the internet up to 300 Mbps of download speed and 50 Mbps of upload speed. It's a dual band Wi-Fi, which is 2.4 GHz and also 5 GHz. It has two detachable external LTE antennas, one WAN port and also 3 LAN ports. Let's see the content in the package. One router plus power adapter and one Ethernet cable and quick installation guide. It has 3 years warranty. Let's we open the box. Now you can see the details clearly in this. Let's see what are the contents inside the box. Finally, the router is here. You can see the 4G plus router. First one is power port, switch on off button, plus 4 GB ports, one is WAN port and 3 LAN ports, WPS button, Wi-Fi on and off key. Here is the SIM slot. Here is the antennas, you can see that, and one power adapter. And one LAN cable, and the macro SIM card and quick installation guide. Let me start the installation. First I will put the antennas in the router. And then I will plug the power adapter. It's a TP-Link power adapter. Next I will put the SIM card into the router. I am using Jio SIM. You can see the SIM here. Now I am going to switch on the router. Now the router gets on. Now I am plugging LAN cable from my desktop. The IP address is 192.168.1.1. Basically for TP-Link routers, IP address will be 192.168.11. For Huawei routers, it may get differ, like 192.168.0.1, like that it may differ. Now I am creating a password. So the default password will be admin and admin. You can see that, okay. In the back side of the router, you can see the user ID and password. I am choosing the time. It will be Kolkata in the Indian time. This is the basic setup. Now I am typing it as home here and also creating a password for my Wi-Fi. Now I successfully configured my router here. You can see the all options here, the basic options and also advanced option here. The router successfully configured here. Let's see the speed test. Here you can find the speed difference between the other routers in the 4G plus router. Actually I am using a Jio SIM, so the speed may vary compared to other network SIM cards. So these are the advantages of 4G plus router. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.